To test if the blower motor capacitor is bad, start by cutting power to the furnace at the breaker and verifying the unit is fully de-energized. Remove the access panel and locate the capacitor, which will be a cylindrical or oval metal can with 3 terminals labeled fan, HERM, and common or similar. First, note the capacitor rating shown on the can in microfarads and voltage so you can compare later. Use a screwdriver with an insulated handle to short the terminals together after confirming power is off. This safely discharges stored charge and prevents shocks when you handle the component. Next, remove the capacitor from its bracket and disconnect the wires from the terminals while labeling or photographing their positions so you can reconnect correctly. Set a digital multimeter to capacitance mode and measure between the common and fan terminals and between common and HERM if applicable. The reading should be within 5% of the rated microfarad value on the can. So a significant drop or a 0 reading indicates failure and requires replacement. Also inspect the can visually for bulging, separation at the top, or oily leakage, which are clear signs the capacitor has failed even if a multimeter is marginal. 3 frequent mistakes are forgetting to fully remove power, which risks shock, testing without first discharging the capacitor, which can damage your meter, and misreading terminal labels, which can lead to incorrect measurements. Always turn off the circuit breaker and verify no voltage with a voltmeter before touching anything to avoid electric shock. Discharge by shorting terminals with an insulated screwdriver or use a resistor rated for the job to bleed charge safely before measuring. Double check and mark terminals, or take a photo so wires return to their original positions and you avoid reversing connections. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project details and get feedback from people nearby. Our site also helps contractors find work and build local visibility, and we host a discussion community where members exchange tips, ask questions, and learn from real projects.